Hi, this is Dr. Carlos Ulis, MD. Today I would like to discuss with you Jatenzo, also known as testosterone undecanoate, a recently approved oral testosterone product by the FDA. It was approved March 17, 2019. This is considered by many people in the testosterone world to be very significant. We have not had an oral testosterone product in over 60 years. And it will make it much easier for men to get good levels of testosterone without having to use gels or injections or other types of delivery systems. So this Jatenzo took about 7 years for Claris Therapeutics to get through the FDA. It was kind of a complex process. I'm not sure why, but that's just the way it is. Now, Jatenzo is available in 3 different dosage forms. The interesting thing about Jatenzo, also testosterone undecanoate scientifically, is that it needs to have some food in your system to be best absorbed. Otherwise, if you take testosterone orally, it will be degraded by the liver very rapidly. If you have the lymphatic absorption enhanced by the product and food, it will go into the lymphatics, bypass the liver, and go into the blood. Therefore, you will have a better blood level. So it is available in 3 different doses, and the doses are to be matched to the patient's needs and based upon blood levels. The dosage is 1 tablet in the morning, 1 capsule, I should say, and 1 capsule in the evening. And to make sure you are on the right dose, you should probably take the medication for about 7 days and then retest 6 hours after you've taken it, after you've been on the medicine, to see if you're on a proper good level. The FDA is quite strict about its ruling on who should take Jatenzo, who should not. They're relatively against people using Jatenzo for what's called age-related low testosterone. Is specifically indicated for genetic disorders of low testosterone, also people whose pituitary gland doesn't work well, and other such conditions. However, I do believe the medication will be used off-label for people who just have low testosterone based on other conditions, such as age. The contraindications to the medications are very much similar to other contraindications to testosterone. The most major one, which is in the black box now, is the cardiovascular major event category. There's also some issue about elevated blood pressure. You should monitor blood pressure while on the medication and withdraw it as necessary, or take medications to lower blood pressure. You should know that it will act like other testosterones can elevate your hematocrit. It can raise your PSA level. It may enlarge your prostate gland and other such things. Now, you should measure your hematocrit every 3 months while on this medication, because all testosterones elevate hematocrit. And if you get a hematocrit that's too high, that means your blood is too thick. And testosterone has also been shown to perhaps be associated with deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism also. However, testosterone does increase your bleeding time, so if you're on a Coumadin or a blood thinner, it may actually accentuate the effects of the blood thinner. So if you're also, it will lower glucose. So if you're on insulin, it could perhaps change your insulin needs. So in general, we don't really know yet what the cost of this medication is, or we don't know also when it's going to be available. I suggest that you go to claristherapeutics.com or go to drugs.com or rxdrug.com, and you will see the costs and when the availability will be. I don't anticipate it to be on the market for maybe another 4 to 6 months. Thank you so much. If you wish to contact me, have questions, please email me at kullismd@gmail.com. Thank you very much for your time.